According to the chief of Ukraine's Air Force Lieutenant General Mykola Oleshchuk, Turkish-made Bayraktar TB2 drones have carried out strikes on Russian troops in the Kherson region and near the city of Malin, about 60 miles northwest of Kyiv. In support of his statement, Ukrainian Air Force released footage of a Russian convoy consisting of more than a dozen vehicles including Buk-M1-2 Surface-to-air missile systems, blown to pieces by the strike near Malin district of the Zhytomyr region. Also was released another drone video which showed a Russian convoy being hit by a drone strike, this time in the southern city of Kherson. Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of Ukraine Valery Zaluzhny said on Facebook, strikes occurred in the town of Chornobayivka, in southern Ukraine. It is now confirmed that Bayraktar TB2 drones have successfully destroyed two Buk-M1-2 air defense systems, Tor-M2 air defense system, 42A65M Sta-B towed 152.4 mm howitzers and around 14 military vehicles. Bayraktar TB2 unmanned combat aerial vehicle can carry a maximum payload of more than 150 kg. The drone can fly up to 22,500 feet and loiter for more than 24 hours. Bayraktar TB2 drones, which entered the Turkish Army's inventory in 2014, are currently used by Turkey, Ukraine, Qatar, and Azerbaijan. In recent years, Turkey's defense and aviation companies made significant achievements in research and development, as well as production and export. Turkey is among 6 countries in the world that can produce its own drones. On March 2, Ukraine's Defense Minister Oleksiy Reznikov announced that new combat-ready TB2s had arrived in the country as part of a larger international military assistance package. New Bayraktars have already arrived in Ukraine and have been put into service. More Stingers and Javelins are to come, Reznikov said. Many European countries, including the UK, Germany, and Sweden, have recently pledged that they will send weapons to Ukraine in response to the Russian invasion, which began on February 24, 2022. The minister's comment came a day after the Turkish Air Force Airbus A400M transport plane was seen flying from Ankara to Poland. Ukraine was known to have received 6 terabytes twos from Turkey before the Russian invasion. Reznikov did not disclose any information about the number of drones provided or the specific model. In 2019, Ukraine began ordering Bayraktars from Turkey. Both the Ukrainian Air Force and Navy have received a total of around 20 drones. The TB2, Ukraine's only UCAV, first saw action in October 2021, when it was deployed to target and destroy a separatist D-30,122 mm artillery in the breakaway Donbass region. In recent years, the TB2 Bayraktar has been deployed to the Middle East. The Turkish government has used this drone against Syrian and Kurdish forces. It was also used by the Azerbaijani military against Armenian forces during the Nagorno-Karabakh conflict in 2020. The UCAV was then credited with successfully hitting Armenian air defense systems and tanks. Ukraine claims these drones are inflicting extensive damage to Russia's military assets. Russian tanks and other armored vehicles were purportedly destroyed in these drone attacks. While these claims are yet to be verified, estimates based on photographic evidence by open-source intelligence suggest hundreds have been lost. Experts believe Ukraine's drone campaign has contributed to the country's early victories in delaying Russian advance. More importantly, social media videos are becoming a major component of Ukraine's information war. It offers a crucial boost to Ukrainian morale amid worries of an impending defeat. Ukraine praised the drone attacks as jewelry work of Bayraktar TB2 crews. Local media reports have hailed Ariel this UCAV for purportedly destroying hundreds of Russian armored vehicles, missile systems, and trucks since the conflict began. According to Robert Lee, a senior fellow at the Foreign Policy Research Institute, Russia possessed the power to destroy TB2s on the ground and at airfields at the start of the conflict but failed to do so for some reason. Moreover, it appears that their air defenses, which accompany ground forces into battle, were not equipped to face the TB2. Not fully clear why that is, he told Middle East Eye.